Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Makita XCV19PG 18V X2, 36V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1.3 Gallon HEPA Filter 12-inch upright vacuum. Whether you're running a business, managing a commercial space, or just need a serious cleaning tool, this vacuum might be just what you're looking for. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's see what this powerhouse brings to the table. The XCV19PG boasts a BL brushless motor, generating 67 CFM of suction power and an impressive 48 inches of water lift. What does this mean for you? In simple terms, this vacuum doesn't just skim the surface. It pulls dirt from deep within carpets, picking up debris with impressive strength and precision. It's built for commercial-grade performance, certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute, which speaks volumes about its capability in demanding environments. Now, when we talk about versatility, we have to mention the 3-speed power selection: high, medium, and low. This allows you to adjust the vacuum's intensity based on your needs. If you're tackling large debris or deep cleaning carpets, the high setting will be your go-to. For lighter tasks or quieter operation, the medium and low settings keep things efficient without sacrificing power. Battery life, a crucial element for cordless vacuums, is handled by two 18V LXT 6.0 Ah batteries, which provide up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime on medium and 30 minutes on high. If you're working in a commercial space or just cleaning a large area, that extended battery life should make a noticeable difference. And the dual-port rapid optimum charger gets both batteries fully charged in just 55 minutes, so downtime is minimal. The 1.3-gallon dust capacity and HEPA filter make this vacuum ideal for those who need both performance and convenience. The HEPA filter ensures that fine dust, allergens, and particles stay trapped, making it a solid choice for anyone who struggles with allergies. Plus, the relatively large dust bin means fewer stops to empty, and it's easy to maintain. What about real-world performance? Let's talk about how this vacuum handles in different scenarios. When tested on carpets, the suction power was undeniably strong, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. Even on hard floors, the vacuum did a great job of picking up fine dust and crumbs without leaving anything behind. The 12-inch cleaning path strikes a solid balance between maneuverability and coverage, though it may be a bit wide for tight spaces or corners. The noise level was moderate on the high setting, but far from disruptive, thanks to the brushless motor. As for attachments, the XCV19PG includes some thoughtful tools that make it versatile for cleaning tasks beyond your standard floors. It's capable of cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors with its specialized tools, which gives it an edge over simpler models. On the downside, despite its impressive power, the vacuum can feel a bit heavy when used for extended periods, especially when fully equipped with attachments or when maneuvering it in tighter spaces. Now, no product is perfect, and the XCV19PG is no exception. One downside is the weight. While it's certainly sturdy, the vacuum is on the heavier side for a cordless model. If you're cleaning a large area or need to do a lot of lifting, it could become a bit tiresome. Another issue that may arise in commercial settings is the relatively smaller dust capacity. While 1.3 gallons sounds decent, larger spaces might require more frequent emptying. In terms of value for money, the XCV19PG sits in the higher-end market. However, considering its commercial-grade certification, powerful suction, and long battery life, it's a good investment for anyone needing a reliable, durable vacuum. Compared to other vacuums in the same price range, it stands out in terms of performance, though you might find more lightweight models or vacuums with larger dust bins if your needs differ. When it comes to alternatives, if you're in the market for a similarly capable cordless vacuum, you might consider something like the Milwaukee 0885-20 18V cordless vacuum, which offers a similar suction power, but with a slightly more compact build. On the other hand, if you're willing to spend a bit more, the Dyson V15 Detect offers cutting-edge technology and superb filtration, though it's more targeted at home use than commercial-grade tasks. As for build quality, the Makita XCV19PG feels solid. The construction of the vacuum is robust, with durable plastics and a well-made frame that can withstand regular use. Maintenance is relatively easy too. Emptying the bin is a straightforward process, and the filter is simple to clean. The brush roll design, however, could be better at dealing with long hair, though it's not a major issue if cleaned regularly. In terms of long-term reliability, Makita is known for its durable tools, so this vacuum should hold up well over time, especially with proper care. If you're looking for a vacuum that won't break down under commercial use, this model certainly fits the bill. One of the highlights is the strong customer support from Makita. The brand is well regarded for handling issues efficiently, and with a solid warranty, you can feel confident that any problems will be addressed promptly. All in all, the Makita XCV19PG is a powerful, reliable vacuum designed for serious cleaning jobs. It's best suited for commercial environments, large homes, or anyone who needs a vacuum that can keep up with high demands. It excels in suction power, runtime, and versatility, though its weight and bin capacity may not suit everyone. If you're after a tool that delivers consistent, commercial-grade cleaning, it's definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Has anyone tried this vacuum in their business or home? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. Until next time. Because at Reviewsinside TV, we don't just clean up the mess, we clean up the details.